I'm Sofia Rego. I am a holistic body therapist, a holistic concierge connector. I started off very young. At 7 years old, I was introduced to angels while my cousin was smiling after her massage, which inspired me to be a massage therapist at a very early age. Moving forward, I wanted to go into it, and I learned Ayurveda as my foundation. With the support of my grandmother, she introduced me to her doctor, who helped me go into Ayurvedic massage therapy. And moving forward, I learned under physiotherapist. I worked under different UK brands of therapy. Worked with classical massages in hotel industries in Dubai. Moving forward, I came to Sweden, and that's where a lot more opened up for me. With 20 years of experience as a spiritual body therapist, having Reiki, crystal therapy, Akashic records, I'm able to support my community at a body, mind, and soul level. And it helps my clients to come back to me because it's not a one-time experience. It's an ongoing. We as human beings tend to bring a lot of struggles, and we have to take step by steps to clear them. So that's something I really like to share with my clients, especially male clients, that, it's not always about having female clients. I do enjoy working with male clients because we have to support both the communities. We have the women and we have the men. We have the mothers, we have the fathers. And I like the duality to support the community as a whole, and also to bring in the children aspect of it. So working with children has been my passion, and I worked with children for 4 years, which helped me to understand a whole family aspect of how the parents are stressed or the children are stressed, and how the parents take the load. So coming forward into when I started my business in Sweden, it was to work on the concept of the whole tree, not just working with one side of the family, but the whole family. So that's something I really, really enjoy, and that's something I incorporate with my work. So one of the things I love working with pregnant women or women that want to get pregnant is setting an intention. So women that want to get pregnant, I always say set an intention that you want to get pregnant. Takes a few sessions with me. I always say come for the first 3 sessions, we set an intention, and I've had a client reach back to me and said, I am pregnant. She wasn't able to get pregnant before, but we set intentions and she came for a series of treatments and she did get. The other side of it is women who are pregnant and they come to me. That is first and foremost when they book a treatment, that is like a permission they give me. But one of the things I enjoy is asking permission from the baby, because there is a life in them. And when I ask permission, I kind of get a sense of the baby speaking to me. And that has been my intuitive gift working with pregnant women. I can tell if it's a girl or a boy. Sometimes I get them telling me about how they are so grateful that I'm taking care of them. Sometimes they tell me about how they need to tell a message to their mother. So a session with me with a pregnancy massage is very much of a workshop, because I also bring in a little bit of conversation to the mother of what they can do after, and especially if it's a first time mother, of what and how they can take care of themselves so they can better support their child. So I had an experience yesterday with a pregnant lady who was having a baby for the first time. And she asked me, what I should do, some tips and some trades. And I said, yes, you need to take time, even if it's 10 minutes while you're taking a shower, that's your time. And she actually appreciated, because sometimes you just need that reminder. I'm a therapist, we do this for many years, but one thing, we know many of the information, but we just need a reminder. So coming to my sessions, you're also going to be getting a lot of a workshop feel. You're going to get lots of ideas that you can take back, you can share with your family members. So one of the work I do is friskvård, which is a health benefit in Sweden. And this allows me to reach out to clients at work. One of the things I do very much is working with people where they can create time for themselves. So if it is going to their work and giving them a treatment, why not? Because that is something that is working in the system where they come regularly. I see the same clients. I'm able to treat them as a series, which is also taking me back to how Ayurveda works, working in series of treatments. It's just not a one-time go.